Bonjour French chic ladies, it's Marianne. As we get older, our skin gets dry. And on top of this, I live in an area where water is hard. So it doesn't do my skin any good. So I wanted to nip this in the bud and try some new products from Obagi. I've used some of the products before, probably 15 to 18 years ago, and my skin was amazing. So I thought I would try out their ultimate luxury kit, so that you can see the before and the after. So please keep on watching. First of all, what do you get in that kit? That bag, I think is quite cute. We're getting a headband that I am using in this video for you. It keeps the hair back so much easier and practical to use the product. You get this cleansing gel. You get this Microdermabrasion and mask. Next, ELASTIderm facial serum, hydro drops serum. Finally, SPF 50 cream. You need your SPF on your face to protect it against the sun. None of these products have a strong scent, just in case you are wondering. So now we know which products are in this kit. Let's see how I use them. So this is me before I use the products. And you can see that the skin is dry. We can see little fine lines, wrinkle, and especially my neck area is very dry. First of all, I clean my skin with this cleansing gel. It contains vitamin C. It is very easy to use. You just apply a small amount to the face and neck with moistened fingertips. And you rub in circular motions and rinse with lukewarm water. At the end, you gently pat dry with a clean cloth or towel. I can already feel that my skin is moistened and hydrated. It feels soft, and I can also see that my fine lines are kind of blurry just with that cleansing gel. It could be that it has plumped the skin, I don't know what it is, or maybe a little bit more hydrated, but I can feel it less dry. Next, we're going to use the Microdermabrasion polish and mask. And this product contains 30% of ascorbic acid, which is vitamin C, very good for the skin. You will notice that this product appears dry. It helps support stability and promote exfoliation. You warm the product in your hands before sweeping gently across the skin to create a thin layer. And then you just sit back and relax for up to 15 minutes while the vitamin C infuses into your skin. The instructions say that we may experience a slight tingling sensation. My skin did not tingle or it was not itchy, but I noticed at the end that there was some redness on my neck area. At the end, you wipe away the mask with a soft damp cloth or towel, and you will reveal a more radiant skin. I noticed that my skin was a little bit glowy, even though there's a bit of redness, but the redness quickly disappeared. Next, I use the ELASTIderm facial serum. I apply 2 to 3 pumps onto my face, neck and décolleté. It felt really soft, smooth and hydrating. Next, the Hydro Drops serum. And this serum is a little bit oily. So I use the dropper to put some on my hands and apply on my face, neck and décolleté. This goes on really well. It has a really lovely consistency and I really like the hydration that I felt. Lastly, the SPF 50. So this one is to use every day, of course, and if you're in the sun, you reapply every couple of hours. So how does my skin look and feel? It feels smooth, it feels plump. The small line seems to have almost disappeared on the side here and even in between the brows. My neck was very dry and I could feel that my skin was getting older and I had pleats here, and I see now that it has really improved. I had no redness on the face, just in the neck area, but the neck area is always a little bit more sensitive, I think. Oh, by the way, with these products you get some free wipes. and a sample of that Microdermabrasion. We love freebies, don't we, girls? If you enjoyed this video, on screen now is another one I think you will enjoy. Thank you very much. Au revoir.